slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I can roast, I can...
Good afternoon, good evening, great clients and prospects. I welcome you all to Oxford Heights Phase 1 Asaba. Yesterday, we told you about the works that will be going on here in this estate. I want to tell you that we are deliberate in our actions. Over here, you can see the estate has commenced. Perimeter fencing has commenced. You can see the laborers at sites. Our gatehouse will be commencing by tomorrow. What are you waiting for? This estate, like we told you yesterday, is directly facing the Benin-Asaba Express Road. Need I remind you that from this location to the Asaba International Airport is 10 minutes drive. From this particular location to Asaba Government House is 15 minutes drive. From this particular location to Asaba Main Town, Summit Junction is 15 minutes drive. From this particular location to Onitsha Bridge, give or take, is 20 minutes drive. What are you waiting for? Won't you want to subscribe on this pre-launch price? Do you want to wait till you buy it at a more costly price? With an initial deposit of 1 million naira, you can key into this estate. Just 1 million naira, you are reserving your plot in this estate. If I may advise you, come in now and subscribe now. DM us now for your subscription forms. Thank you.